Hamilton, Ontario. Today is October 22nd, and I just arrived with the GO train to Hamilton. I stopped at the Hunter Street, and I took John Street. This is John Street, so I'm going all the way. So this is Hamilton. As you can see, this is not Toronto by any chance. Is this Toronto or is Hamilton? Alrighty, and this is King Street in Hamilton. As you can see, this is not King Street in Toronto. You can see this is there, King Street. Did I get it there or no? Oh, it's up there. I don't know, you can see it there, but you can see the King Street there. Anyways, so that's King Street, and I'm going further on John Street. Next, I think it's William Street. So I'm heading to Mary Street. Oh, sorry, Cannon Street, and then I turned right to Mary Street. You guys have a good day. King Street, Hamilton. Alrighty. King Street, Hamilton. And that's King Street. It's downtown Hamilton. Hamilton, Ontario. This is October 23rd. And this is York Street.